In summary, if you're diving into the world of savings, it's crucial to understand the benefits of high-yield savings accounts. With options like SoFi, beginners can enjoy competitive interest rates, the absence of fees, and useful features designed to shape smart financial habits. This video will guide you through achieving financial growth effortlessly, making saving accessible to everyone. The SoFi checking and savings account is tailor-made for those beginning their savings journey, ensuring that with minimal input, users can maximize their financial potential. Imagine starting small, like setting aside just a few bucks every week, leading to significant growth over time as the 4.60% APY continues to work in your favor. This is an opportunity to shed the stress of traditional banking, no more worrying about hidden fees or low interest rates that barely make a dent in your financial goals. By utilizing clear and visual tracking systems, you're empowered to see both your progress and financial milestones clearly, encouraging you to stay committed to your savings plan. You've set the stage. Now it's time to take action. So, how do you open a SoFi checking and savings account and start reaping these incredible benefits? The process is incredibly simple and can be done in just a few minutes right from your phone or computer. First, visit SoFi.com or download the mobile app. Once you're in, hit the Open Account button and select the Checking and Savings option, which conveniently packages both services together. Next, fill in your personal details like your name, address, and social security number for verification purposes. After that, link an existing bank account to transfer funds easily. To unlock that enticing cash bonus, set up direct deposit and watch your savings grow from day one. Now that your account is set up, the real fun begins. Take a moment to explore the app's features, which are designed with you in mind. Create goal-specific buckets, say one for your emergency fund and another for that dream vacation. Each time you make a deposit, you'll see your progress toward those goals right on the screen, providing immediate feedback to keep you motivated. Consider enabling auto transfer to regularly move money from checking to savings. This simple step automates your saving routine, making it easier than ever to build your wealth over time. Remember, the key is consistency. Even a small amount adds up, and with the benefits of SoFi, you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow. The excitement of watching your savings grow doesn't end there. SoFi offers a sleek mobile experience where you can not only manage your accounts, but also track your financial journey in real time. You'll receive notifications for every deposit and transfer, which keeps you engaged with your money. This level of involvement reinforces positive saving habits, making you more aware and intentional about your finances. Plus, the app integrates budgeting tools and even investing opportunities, giving you a holistic view of your financial health. As you embark on this new savings adventure, remember that you're not just setting aside money, you're building a future filled with possibilities. As you become more familiar with the app, don't hesitate to take advantage of its features designed to enhance your savings experience. For example, you can use the Roundup Savings tool linked to purchases made with your SoFi debit card, where spare change from transactions is effortlessly added to your savings. This simple yet effective function helps you save without thinking, turning everyday spending into a powerful savings mechanism. Additionally, set clear reminders for yourself to check in on your buckets, ensuring you stay connected to your goals while celebrating each milestone you reach along the way. Over time, these practices will instill a sense of financial discipline that can lead to greater confidence in your ability to save and manage your money effectively. By participating in this system, you're not just accumulating funds. You're creating a well-rounded approach to financial literacy that can serve you throughout your life. So, what happens next after you've opened your SoFi checking and savings account? It's time to put your financial plan into action. Start by creating 2 to 3 goal buckets tailored to your specific needs. Perhaps you want to save for emergencies, travel, and a rent buffer. This segmentation of savings allows you to see exactly where your money is going, adding clarity to your financial journey. You will want to enable auto transfer on a weekly or monthly basis to ensure savings efforts are consistent. This makes saving feel less like a chore and more like a habit. If you utilize the Sophie debit card, consider activating Round-Up Savings, where each purchase rounds up to the nearest dollar, and the spare change is funneled into your savings buckets. In conclusion, there is no better time than now to take control of your finances with Sophie checking and savings. With its unparalleled PY zero fees and user-friendly features, this account is designed for those just starting their savings journey, providing the tools needed for sustained financial growth. Your future is bright, and by making smart financial choices today, you set the foundation for a secure tomorrow. So take that first step. Your financial empowerment begins with a single click, and the journey of 1,000 miles starts with you. As you embark on this savings journey, remember that every small contribution counts. The beauty of the Sophie checking and savings account is that it adapts to your lifestyle and needs. Whether it's dipping your toes with just $5 or ramping up to larger contributions, your financial pathway is uniquely yours. This is not just a bank account. It's a versatile tool designed to foster healthy savings habits, making your money work for you while also offering incredible flexibility. Embrace the tools at your disposal and watch your savings flourish as you progress toward your financial dreams. Remember, the journey to financial stability begins with just one step. Financial education is essential, and by leveraging Sophie's resources, you can journey from a novice to a confident saver. Embrace the user-friendly app, take advantage of its innovative features, and participate actively in your financial growth. As you unlock more insights into managing your money, not only does your understanding deepen, but so does your financial acumen, preparing you for future opportunities. The key to success in saving is consistency combined with a proactive approach. Remember, it's about making every dollar count and setting realistic, achievable goals. Remember, one of the most powerful aspects of Sophie is its community-focused approach, which encourages users to share their progress and tips. Engaging with others who are on similar financial journeys can provide motivation and inspiration, transforming saving from a solitary task into a collaborative effort. By participating in forums and discussions, you gain insights and additional strategies that can enhance your own experience with the Sophie platform. This supportive environment not only amplifies your financial education, but cultivates a sense of belonging as you celebrate milestones together. Ultimately, you're not just saving money. You're reconnecting with a community that empowers your financial aspirations while guiding you along the path to success. As you settle into your new routine with Sophie, be sure to take advantage of the educational resources available through the app. From budgeting guides to tips on building wealth, these tools can enhance your financial literacy significantly. Engaging regularly with these materials will empower you to make informed decisions about your money today and in the future, ensuring you're not just saving, but actively growing your financial skill set. Now that you've established your financial structure with the Sophie checking and savings account, let's focus on setting yourself up for long-term success. Start by examining your financial objectives. What are you saving for? Whether it's a dream vacation, a down payment on a home, or simply an emergency fund, clarifying your goals will keep you motivated. Utilize the Goal Buckets feature within the app to create visual representations of what you're saving for, which can inspire you to stay committed. Regularly check your progress and adjust your contributions as your financial situation evolves. Small adjustments can lead to significant impacts over time. With Sophie's automatic savings tools and user-friendly interface, managing your goals is seamless. By maintaining this commitment and actively engaging with your savings strategy, you will not only build your financial future, but also gain confidence in your ability to accomplish your aspirations. The journey to financial empowerment is just beginning. And with each deposit, you take one step closer to a secure and prosperous future. For those who want an even deeper understanding of their finances, exploring Sophie's community forums and learning centers can be invaluable. Connecting with other users allows you to exchange tips, share experiences, and gain new perspectives on managing your savings effectively. This collaborative approach fosters a sense of belonging while reinforcing your financial journey. Plus, it opens the door to discovering innovative ways to maximize your benefits from the Sophie platform. By engaging actively, you'll find motivation that empowers your path to financial success, ensuring you achieve your goals with confidence. By choosing Sophie checking and savings, you're not just opting for a smart savings account. You're stepping into a future of financial empowerment where every deposit counts. Embrace this opportunity to redefine your savings, experience and unlock the potential that comes with being proactive about your finances. Your journey has just begun, and the best is yet to come. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.